Loofah Soap is known for its exfoliation hydration benefits. And we all know after being in the sun all summer long, our skin is in need for some serious TLC. That's why we tried out this Loofah Soap scented with our delicious peach fragrance. This homemade soap is also great because none of those pesky bacteria will rest in the loofah, like most do. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it.
Hey, hit the table, here to stay, no repay. Hey, feeling playful, never fold, stay on your toes. I may just seem to play it cool. I may just rewrite all the rules. Money maker, so but never tell. I heard a rumor. Money maker, watch me cast a spell. Rumor, rumor. Money maker, gotta pay to play. I heard a rumor. I'm a taker, going all the way. Rumor, rumor. I heard a rumor. I heard a rumor. Rumor, rumor. Money maker, so but never tell. I heard a rumor. Money maker, watch me cast a spell. Rumor, rumor. Money maker, gotta pay to play. I heard a rumor. I'm a taker, going all the way. Rumor, rumor. I heard a rumor. Rumor, rumor. I heard a rumor. Rumor, rumor.
Let us know how you liked this DIY loofah soap in the comments below. And be sure to look at more skincare recipes on our P&J channel. See you next time.